Hi, this is Pete Thayer. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own quizzes on any topic. You can create quizzes on butterflies, wildflowers, trees, even people. There are 4 steps to making your own quiz. First of all, create a broad category. Second, create specific quizzes for this category. Third, add items or things into the category that you want to be quizzed on. And fourth, move some of these items or things into specific quizzes. I live in southwestern Florida, down in Naples. I want to make a quiz on the butterflies that are in this area. Let's see how to do this. First of all, click the Quizzes icon. This opens up the Quiz Wizard screen. Down in the lower left-hand corner, I want to click on the button that says Manage My Quizzes. The first time you open this screen, it will be empty. In this case, I've already created a number of quizzes to study for birding trips, and I've also imported a couple of quizzes from the Thayer Birding website on U.S. presidents and U.S. states. Let's create a category and call it Butterflies of Florida. Begin by clicking the New icon over on the left, and then click New Category. Now type the name of your new category and click the Create button. Now that we've created a new category called Butterflies of Florida, we need to add a number of quizzes to this category. Begin by right-clicking on the name of the category, click New, and then click Quiz. Now we see a screen called New Quiz. Type in the name of your new quiz, in this case Butterflies of Naples, Florida. Add an author if you like, and click the Create button. Now you can continue to add new quizzes to this category. Add as many as you like. I've selected a number of important regions of Florida for my quizzes. So far we've created a new category called Butterflies of Florida, and we've added a number of quizzes. Now comes the fun part. We get to add items or things to the category. In this case, the things will be a variety of butterflies found in Florida. Here's the Edit Category screen, and we can see we're looking at Butterflies of Florida. But when we look at the box containing category items, it's empty. Let's fix that. Click the New button. Here's the screen where we get to add new items. You must include a name and a best photo. To find the photos, click Browse. You can also add things like an alternate or scientific name. You can add 3 more photos. You can even add sounds. If you want to take a look at the pictures you've added, click the Preview button. Here's a picture of one of the butterflies of Florida. This is a Gulf fritillary from the top. This is a picture of the same butterfly, but this time you're looking at the bottom side of the wing, which is actually quite different. That screen that lets you add an item can be a little bit daunting. Round up your pictures and songs before you start working on that. But when you're done, just click OK, and then you will see that you've added 1 item to your new category. Now continue adding a few more items or things to this category. I wouldn't go too far. Once you get 5 or 6 or 7 items added, just stop and make sure that everything's working okay. You don't want to enter 2,000 birds of South America and then realize you screwed up. Next, we're going to add questions to each quiz. We do this by adding items to this particular quiz. So let's right-click on Butterflies of Naples, Florida, and then click Edit. Here we are at the Edit My Quiz screen. We don't have any questions yet, but on the right-hand side we have all the butterflies in this category, and we can move 1 or more over to the left so it will appear as a question in this quiz. In this case, I've decided to move everything into the Butterflies of Naples, Florida quiz. So I just click the double arrow and everything shifts over to the left-hand side. This looks good, except the summer azure is a butterfly found only in the northern part of Florida. I want to remove it from the Butterflies of Naples quiz. So all I do is highlight it and click the right-hand arrow. There, we made a category called Butterflies of Florida, we made a quiz called Butterflies of Naples, Florida, and we just moved items into this quiz. Now we can go see what the actual quiz looks like. Now just click the quiz icon and then click the My Quizzes tab at the top. When you find the category you want, click on the plus sign in front of it. Now just click the name of the quiz you'd like to take and then click Next. There are 4 completely different types of quizzes in version 7. Let's see what the multiple choice quiz looks like. A multiple choice quiz will show you one photo and then give you 5 possible answers. Make your selection on the left and then click the Answer button to see if you are correct. The second type of quiz is fill in the blank. You actually have to type in the correct name. Type the name of this butterfly in the upper left and then click the Answer button to see if you are correct. Each of the 4 quiz types has a 2-page setup screen. These let you fine-tune the quizzes and select the media that you want to see. The third type of quiz is the flashcard quiz. This is ideal for bird club meetings or to display in a retail store. The flashcard quiz shows you a large photo. You have to guess the name of this butterfly before the clock in the lower left ticks down to 0. Once the timer reaches 0, it displays the correct name of this butterfly. The setup screen for flashcards lets you choose how long to display each photo and how long to display the name before moving on to the next picture. The fourth quiz type is the Pick One quiz. This is my favorite. We see the name of a butterfly in the upper left corner. Figure out which picture matches this name and click on that photo. Now that you know how to make your own quizzes on virtually anything, let me show you a few really cool things you can do with this program. Let's start by assuming we created a brand new category name called Butterflies of Georgia. Open the category called Butterflies of Florida. Then click on Copy, and when the Copy to Category box appears, click on the small triangle. Now select the new category we want to copy these items into. In this case, Butterflies of Georgia. In a few moments, we will see that all the items under Butterflies of Florida have been successfully transferred into our target, Butterflies of Georgia. Now when we look at all the items under Butterflies of Georgia, we see everything that was also in Florida. It's easy to highlight 1 or 2 names and click the Delete button if they don't belong. Here's something that's really critical but a bit subtle. In categories, anything you put in there as an item or thing is a possible answer in all of the quizzes under that category. I don't want to see Butterflies of California in my Butterflies of Naples quiz, so I named the category Butterflies of Florida. I did not name it Butterflies of North America. Here's something you may not have realized. When you're entering all the information about a specific item, the alternate name is usually the scientific genus and species, but it doesn't have to be. In this case, we're using state names, and the alternate name is the state capital. On the setup screen for our Pick One quiz, we can select Common Name and quiz ourselves on the states, or we can select Alternate Name and quiz ourselves on state capitals. If we quiz ourselves on state names or common names, we have to pick out the state of Indiana. But if we quiz ourselves on alternate names, we have to pick out the state whose capital is Denver. That would be Colorado. In version 7, we've even added the side-by-side comparison feature so you can look at pictures you've imported. Simply click the word View and then click Compare. Select items in an entire category or a specific quiz. Then use the drop-down boxes to move between different pictures that you would like to compare. We have a number of custom quizzes that you can download from the Thayer Birding website. Just click the Version 7 tab at the top and then click Quizzes. It's critically important to realize that all your custom quizzes are stored in a custom media and custom database folder, and these must be saved someplace away from your computer in case you have a computer crash. When you're creating your own custom quizzes, you can use your own photos or your own sounds, or you can look on the internet. For photos, we suggest commons.wikimedia.org, and for bird songs, we suggest xenocanto.org. This video has shown you how to create your own custom quizzes on virtually any topic. We think this feature in version 7 is by far the most valuable part of the entire program.